Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to go over how to freeze or unfreeze your Lendingclub debit card in just a few taps. This feature is perfect if your card is misplaced, stolen, or you just want more control over its use. Let's get into it. The first step is to open the Lendingclub app so you can log in securely using your password, PIN, or your biometrics login. Once you're in, access card management. From the main dashboard, just tap on your checking accounts and then look for an option that's labeled Manage Cards or Card Control. Next is to freeze your card. You're going to see a toggle or a button that says Freeze Card. You can just tap it and your card will instantly stop working for all new purchases, withdrawals, or payments. To unfreeze your card whenever you're ready, just once you've located your card or feel free, safe again, just go back to the same menu and then simply tap Unfreeze Card and your debit card might become active right away. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the video.